Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use DoorDash and love paying with Cash App, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to link your Cash App account to DoorDash. And here's the best part. You don't even need your physical Cash App card to make it work. Stick around until the end so you don't miss a single step. First, open your DoorDash app and head straight to the Me tab, Tariki. You'll see it in the bottom right corner with your profile icon. On the next screen, tap Settings, Gear Icons. Look for the gear icon. Inside Settings, find and tap Payments. Now scroll down until you see Cash App Pay. Tap it, and this will instantly open your Cash App. You'll be prompted to confirm adding Cash App as a payment method. Go ahead and tap Confirm. Next, Cash App will ask for your PIN, the same one you use with your Cash App account or card. Enter it and tap Next. Once that's done, you'll be redirected right back to DoorDash, where you should now see Cash App Pay listed as one of your payment options, along with your cash tag. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Cash App account to DoorDash without ever using a physical card. From here on out, you can check out on DoorDash using Cash App Pay quickly and securely. And there you go, that's your That's how easy it is to use Cash App on DoorDash. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this one. Also, check the description. I've included some bonus tips to save money on your next order. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.